we do here now is run around to start cleaning stuff up. These, I just want to cut the corner off them and then run around them all, there's a good few of them, and grind them down and clean up all these wells. Get them all one, like this corner here, I want to cut that corner off, grind them around, just all them. So I'm just going to get a cutting disc on the grinder, just cut all the corners. I just start on that. That as well, I need to shape that around. I need to cut this off. Seems like a lot, but I'm just going to get into it. Mightn't be that many. I spent the last couple of hours there, ground all them down flat. I've just started, I've done all them, I've done both sides. I need to go around a few more just to clean up here. I'm going to spend another while in that. And the main thing I've done all them all the way down on both sides. I've cut this off. Cut these ends off here. Just rounded them off. That's all looking a bit neat now. Once that's painted, it'll be fine. Alright, since the last video, I'd say it's been over a month. Well over a month. I've been busy. It just has to get done now because it's been sitting on the lift since Christmas and the fucking thing, no work done on this lift. So the next job here is the transit. I just want to kind of elongate the holes a small bit because all these are off a small bit compared to where I measured off one. The way the body's put together, see, this is kind of over a bit, this top plate. I just kind of want to widen them all a small bit, just to make them all even. I'm going to do that just with a deburr tool on a drill. Anyone who doesn't do a lot of work with transits and stuff, or not with transits, with grinding and welding, this is all dust. I don't know if you can see that there. It's all the sparks and dust from the sparks from grinding and cutting. So if anyone does anything around their house and they get it on their car, make sure you wash your car or blow it down, because if the dust sits there and it'll rust into the paint, it will fuck up your car, the paint on it. Even on your window, if you get it on your window as well, if that rains now, that'll make a mess of the fucking glass. Like this van, I had it off, but I threw it in the shed. I threw it in another dry shed. This has been inside as well all the time. What I'm going to do here now is just elongate them holes. It's going to be a quick job, just so the bolts all fit in, but they're kind of getting caught. There's only a tiny bit that has to come off, a couple of them. I would like to find a better way of putting this body on and off. Just little steps as possible for when it's painted, so the less touching I have to do, the less chance I have a mark in the paint. I'll have to come up with something new when it's painted. Might try it with wooden blocks or something. I'll take it off again. I'll have another go at doing it with less steps. I think I have an idea what to do there now, but we'll know next time.